You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
The Canadian motomaniacs Can-Am want to make sure every road trip you take in one of their vehicles is unforgettable, and this year, they've pulled out all the stops with the 2022 Spyder F3 Limited Special Edition, which builds on the already formidable F3 Limited with even more design flourishes and touring amenities. This is a brand new version of the F3 Limited for this year, and while the European-made engine, a 1,330 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder Rotax ACE trademark, isn't different from what's in other Spyder F3s, there are other features to ensure you have the most fun possible with the 115 horsepower at 7,250 RPM and 96 lb-ft of torque at 5,000 RPM it produces. Those features include everything the L3 Limited offers: heated grips, a 6-speaker keypad controllable audio system, UFit footboards, etc., plus short-reach handlebars, auxiliary lighting, a cool-looking Supersport grille, 12-spoke wheels, and a comfort seat for your passenger. Let's be honest, you're definitely gonna get asked to give a few rides on this thing. The special edition of the Spyder F3 Limited only comes in one color, an unmistakable plasma red that makes it pop right out of the 2022 lineup of Can-Am vehicles. You can pick up this once-in-a-lifetime Can-Am, for it might be marketed as a limited model, but Can-Am's 2022 model lineup just wouldn't feel complete without a beast like this. It starts at $27,499 USD / $34,399 CAD.
Now